Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a treat, one of my favorite chicken wings recipe. This is a Voodoo chicken wings. It has a blend of Asian spices and seasoning as well as spiciness. So stick around long enough and you'll be able to see how I pull together this amazingly simple and easy yet delicious chicken wing recipe. Crushed garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce, dark rum, sesame oil, white vinegar, stir, allspice, cayenne pepper, Chinese 5-spice, fresh ground black pepper, sea salt, smoked paprika. Chicken wings. This is 4 pounds. Okay, beautiful people, the chicken wings have been marinating for the last 2 hours, and then I took it out a half an hour or so ago just to have some of the coldness get out of it. Here you go. Looks amazing. Just give it a little stir. Okay, so the oven has been preheated to 375 degrees, and I have a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. This way it helps with the cleanup and the wings don't stick on the pan itself. So I'm just going to assemble these. Okay, so these wings are ready for the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and get these baked. Okay, it's about halfway through the cooking time, and I usually like to flip the chicken wings, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, our wings are all ready, and it's the moment I always look forward to eating. These wings have the right amount of spiciness, very tender, so flavorful. I do hope you'll take the time to make this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!